Alright, welcome to the live stream. Sati, it's gotta go. Alright, run.
Jesus.
Run. You okay?
No.
Oh!
What was that?
Fireworks.
Here's Diala and our cousin. Well, I don't know about the music. I'm not sure about the music. Sati? Yeah, the music is a little loud. Sorry about that. Anyway, Sati, you're next again. Which one are you gonna get, Sati? Alright.
Here's what they do.
Alright, let's get going. I have no idea what the song is, honestly. Okay. Whoa. That was right next to me. Okay.
Also, my other got damaged now.
You dropped in the queue?
No. This fire is practically out. I'm not gonna be popping fireworks. Okay. So what's the next firework? This one? Ah.
Let's shoot another one.
Oh. Okay. Alright, here's our last live stream. For the year 2025, here's our very first live stream. I'm so sorry about the noise. It's so loud sometimes. But that's like fireworks every year, honestly. Next fireworks. Sati.
It's pretty much the same thing. So.
Yeah,
Can I let my...
Let's give him a light.
sure. So let the yellow go first. Alright, yellow wants to go next.
Can I...
There's so many other fireworks going on around this town.
And stand it up like that.
And practically the whole USA.
What's your light run? You guys leave firework for later on for midnight.
Oh,
For New Year's.
careful. Okay, I'm gonna back up.
That is my favorite one.
This one's gonna be the same thing.
It's actually on fire.
Oh, that was on fire.
By the way, if you're wearing headphones, you might want to take those off right now.
Yeah. A little flame. There was a little flame over there.
There was a little flame right there. Run.
That one moves actually. I'm using the same thing as the other. Don't be too amazed because it's the same thing.
Alright, what's the next firework? Huh? How many do we have?
I know. What's that?
For midnight. That's the last one.
Okay.
And one, and then.
Alright.
I can't find good ones.
The last one will be this one. Alright.
Turn it on, put it on the floor, light it up.
This one, that one, and this one will be the last one.
Okay. So you guys can say something for a later.
Or do you want to like this one, Dila?
You wanna like this one?
Sure, I'll like this one. Okay, who's next?
Just gotta go for it.
One and one.
Okay, so we'll do small to biggest. So
Let's see which one he gets. So. Wait. What if he gets a smaller one? So let's wait.
okay, let's wait for them. Or
I'm a
Sati.
pancake. I'm a pancake. I'm a pancake. I'm fine. And a little.
Yeah, I'm wearing a jacket. Dilla, what about you? Why are you not wearing a jacket?
Fine.
Are you sure you're fine?
Yes, I'm fine. I don't really feel the coldness, but when someone warm hugs me, that's when I feel cold. But when they let go, I just feel normal.
I think her body has adapted.
I'm adapted.
It's like what? My turn.
Wait. Hold on.
That was every time. That's always next to us. Why are you doing this? Why are you doing this to us?
Okay. Wait, let me see yours.
This one.
He got the smallest one.
So we'll like this one first. I wonder what that do. I think that's new.
Yeah, do it. I really want to see it.
I'm actually scared for my life.
We're all scared for our life. We can't do this on July the 4th or 4th of July. How do you say?
4th of July.
4th of July and New Year's. New Year's. We can't do this. It's too scary.
Do you want me to do it?
No, I can't. I'm just scared.
Gotta take huge cautious when.
Light it.
Oh, run! Are you okay?
Yes, I'm actually fine. That's scary.
I thought that burned you.
Oh, that's hurting my eyes. Yeah, you might want to lower down your
Yeah. Okay.
lightings because that's burning my eyes.
Yeah. Sorry for anybody who.
It was on fire.
I'm sorry for anybody watching this who is like what, too sensitive.
Hi.
Yeah, this is our cousin. Hi. You're on a live stream. You know that? Want to say something to the viewers? Who's got the media? Wait, I placed it down. I forgot. I somehow forgot, and it's only been like what 30.
Sit there. Javier has to light it.
I have to.
I can hold it.
Okay, try not to end it.
Hey.
Be careful. We gotta be extremely careful. I'm not planning on making a part 2. This is so scary to me.
I know, right?
Fireworks is my biggest fear.
Hey, man.
Fireworks are not the biggest fear, but I'm still scared of them because of the burning or something.
How long is this gonna take?
That's what I'm wondering.
Oh, let me do it.
No.
Run! Ah!
Why'd you bark? Wow. I made it. That was it? That was it?
I wasn't scared.
How do I light this? Hold it. Oh, don't burn me. How do I light this one? How do I light this?
Here, let me see.
I don't say blah, blah, blah.
How do you like this?
I'm gonna ask. I'm gonna
Oh, try not to. Oh my god. Yeah, we already managed to pop a few fireworks before the live stream, so sorry you had to miss some. But I didn't want this live stream to be long. I mean, if it's a live stream, most live streams are long, so it shouldn't really matter, but still.
That was it.
Yeah, that's it.
That's it.
Yeah.
That's it.
Diala's trying to figure out how to light the last one.
You want some?
Thanks.
What's that? Oh, Cheetos.
Here's a I don't like Cheeto Puffs, but I'll take a bite still.
Brush off the bitten part.
Really? Okay.
And one pizza cup.
Got it?
Little green thing. Wow, here we go. I'm scared. I'm terrified. Hello. Okay, wait. It's because it keeps on moving.
Run.
Go, go.
Just in time.
Okay, here's our last fireworks for the live stream. Oh, back up. Back up even more. Back up even more! Okay, I wasn't screaming.
You were screaming.
I was screaming for my life.
That was our last one.
For the live stream. We'll see you guys later in part 2, I suppose.
Yeah.
I've never made a part 2 in a live stream. This is barely our first live stream for New Year's, and we're making a live stream. Okay, anyways, I'll see you guys in the next live stream.
Bye.
Bye.
I don't know what that means.